I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an installing and styling of this 5x5 bob wig from ISHOW hair. Like, y'all see the movement. I haven't had a bob in so long and it is giving. So ISHOW hair reached out to me and asked me to try this glueless bob wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, today I'm going to be installing and styling this 5x5 bob wig from ISHOW hair. So this is a really cool bag. I've never gotten a bag like this before. Like, it has a little zipper on it and everything. Like, I've never seen anything like this. So that is exciting, but I haven't had a bob in a while, so I am super excited to wear this wig. So here it is in the package. It says 5x5 wig natural color straight. So this should be a glueless wig, so it's gonna be super easy to put on, y'all. Like, I cannot wait to put this wig on. And it also comes with some treats in the bag. Let's open it up and show you all. So here is an edge brush. You can't have too many of those. What is this? Oh, I guess this is like a hanger to hang your wig on. That's really cool. I've never seen anything like that, so that is cool. It comes with a HD wig cap. And lastly, it has a hair clip. So you can use this when you're styling the wig, curling it, or whatever. Just a nice little clip. So let's actually take this wig out of the package. Oh, so the length is 14 inches too, you guys. So that is kind of long for a bob, I think. So here's the wig. It is already pre-plugged and bleached, you guys. So you don't have to do anything. I can see like through the netting that it is already bleached. So I am very happy about that. Like, you don't have to do anything but slap this thing on your head. So let's see. Okay, I see little branding. So here's the wig. Like, I cannot wait to do all that with the wig on, but here it is. The branding has a headband on the back. It says ISHOW on the headband. So this is a 5x5 wig. So as you can see, it's already pre-cut, so you don't need to cut the wig or anything. And here are the knots that are already bleached. So you don't have to do anything like that. So literally all I have to do is just put this wig on my head and I should be good. So this is how the lace looks too, you guys, on the inside. So it is pretty thin lace. And that's how much parting space you get on a 5x5 lace closure wig. But okay, look at that movement. So I like to spray a little lace tint on my lace just to get it a little closer to my skin tone. So I'm just going in with the color medium brown and I'm just gonna spray the lace. Yeah. And then I'm gonna blow dry the spray just to make sure I dry up that lace tint. Okay, so now I can slap this thing on my head. Let me pull this thing down a little bit more. Okay, so it's looking pretty cute, but we do need to style this a little bit. Like, I think I might do a cute little flip over thing. So let's do that. Okay guys, I'm not sure if I just want to wear this hair like to my face like that or what, but firstly, let's add a little baby hair to this wig. So I'm going to bring down a little piece over here. I can definitely see the vision. Okay, and now let's put a little baby hair in this wig. Just at my temples, because I don't know, I just love baby hair at my temples. So yeah, very cute. And now on this side, so y'all see it's already coming together. It looks really good already. And now on this side. And I'm gonna blow dry it to make sure it stays down. So I'm just blow drying my baby hair, really. Okay, and now let's hot comb the top of the wig. Like, this is a very fast installation. That's one thing I love about bobs too, because you really don't have to do much when it comes to styling a bob either. So let's go ahead and put this down. Like y'all are seeing it. It's giving, it's giving, it's giving. I haven't had a bob in like 2 years. So that is wild. So yeah, that's how it's looking, you guys. Like, it is giving. Okay, movement. I haven't even flat ironed the hair. Like, this is the hair with no product in it right now. Well, other than the top. But yeah, I'm gonna flat iron it and probably add like a little bounce to the ends. But it's giving. I like it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flat iron. This hair is gonna be really quick. I'm just gonna go down and kind of do the flip. This thing is already flipping a little bit, but I'm gonna flip it outwards like that. Ooh, I kind of curled it a little bit. Okay, hold on. Let's see how it looks with a little curl in it. Of course, you can cut it a little shorter if you want it shorter. That's always super cute with a bob, so you can do that too. If you like the super short bob looks, those are cute. Those are super cute too. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Very cute, you guys. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be right back. Like, this looks fire. Okay, like, I love it. I look so grown and sexy. That's what this is giving, grown and sexy. But okay, I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay guys, since the bob is a little longer, I decided to do the curl under, like towards my face instead of away from my face. And y'all, this looks so cute and mature. Like I said, it's giving grown and sexy. I think it's super cute. But once again, this wig is from ISHOW Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.